here from IMAGE360, located at 2260 Industrial Highway. How you doing today? It's March 24th. We're out here doing a lettering job for KT Media on their window here. So once they're able to get back in and open the doors for business due to the COVID-19, everybody knows where they're located. Give them a big shout out, give them a holler.
We'll also be installing a sign up there as well. But right now, one person was shorthanded at the shop, so I wanted to at least get the lettering done for them on the window, so if they can get open this weekend, they have something to be able to know where people are or where people are going. So if you're looking for records, DVDs, CDs, buy, sell, and trade, give KT Media a call.
If you're looking for signs and graphics, give IMAGE360 a call here at 2262 Industrial Highway at 717-757-4909. Look forward to talking to everybody soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.